All right, let's see how we do an arithmetic series. If you have the formula, I don't know if you can see it that great, but it's here in white. And I put it this way because that formula is not nearly as helpful to me as just knowing what in the world you're doing. You're figuring out how many terms there are. So this is called sigma notation. The top number is like the top end of, you want the ninth term in the series or in the sequence. And it's saying n equals 1, meaning we're going to start at the first term. So we want the first, second, third, all the way up to the ninth term. And we actually want the sum that we want to not just know what they are, but add them up. So from 1 to 9 terms, that's 9 terms. So the first thing is a 9. And then we have to figure out the first term and the last term. So the first term would be taking our arithmetic sequence here, 3n plus 1, and we're just substituting a 1 because we want the first term. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So the first term is 6. And then the last term, 3n is 9 this time because the last term will be the ninth term. So 27 plus 3 is 30. So the last term is 30. And that is divided by 2. So we're getting the average of the first and last terms in the series. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. So really this is just 9 times 18, which is 162.